and tambourines, it's the most fun you've ever seen. Color and life and harmony, rainbows, trees and tambourines.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making our own tambourines. Here's what you need: a paper hole puncher, a round paper plate, some bells that you can easily get from Mr. DIY, some thread, and some stickers to decorate your paper plate. First, get your paper plate and your hole puncher. Punch 4 holes evenly distributed around the plate. Get 1 thread and put it through 2 bells. You can have 2 bells through each hole on the paper plate. Now put the thread through the hole on the paper plate and tie it together tightly. Once you're done, do the same to all 4 sides. Get your stickers and start decorating the paper plate however you like. Here's your beautifully decorated tambourine. Now you can use this for the next part of the activity. Have fun!
Rainbows, trees and tambourines, it's the most fun you've ever seen. Color and life and harmony, rainbows, trees and tambourines. When Mr. Sun won't come out, there's rain and clouds all about. Just wear a smile and never fear, and soon a rainbow will appear. Rainbows, trees and tambourines, it's the most fun you've ever seen. Color and life and harmony, rainbows, trees and tambourines. We are so lucky to have this earth. We must save it for all it's worth. Just like a tree, stand straight and true. Let's build a life for me and you. Rainbows, trees and tambourines, it's the most fun you've ever seen. Color and life and harmony, rainbows, trees and tambourines. Rainbows, trees, tambourines. Rainbows, trees, tambourines. There's such a feeling in the air. There's love and music everywhere. Let's clap our hands and stamp our feet. With a tambourine, we'll keep the beat. Rainbows, the most fun you've ever seen. Color and life and harmony, rainbows, trees and tambourines.